Bollywood megastar Shah Rukh Khan attended a private screening of his hugely anticipated film Chennai Express at PVR Cinemas in Juhu on August 8, a day ahead of its release. Fans waited outside the theatre to catch a glimpse of Shah Rukh and surrounded him as he came out after the screening. The actor said he was overjoyed as he had been receiving great reviews from those who had already watched the film. The action comedy starring Deepika Padukone as the female lead is directed by Rohit Shetty.
I think everybody seems to be liking it, so we are happy. And inshallah, next few days, I'm happy everybody's smiling. No, all my films I come for. तुम लोगों को मालूम नहीं पड़ा है.
Shah Rukh has been promoting the Chennai Express fervently. On August 7th, a promotion show was organized by Western Union in Mumbai. SRK interacted with fans and also shook a leg on the tunes of Chennai Express. He said the film is very funny and the jokes are clean for the entire family. Shah Rukh said that in most of his movies, the heroines are as important as their male counterparts, and the same holds true for Chennai Express. The actor also talked about the dance number Thalaiba, Lungi Dance, a special track in honor of the legendary actor Rajnikant.
Thank you very much, Rashmi, and thank you, Shetty Saab. This is marvelous. And thank you, Western Union. Thank you all people who partner with Western Union. Thank you, the guests. Thank you, the winners, the people who've participated in the competition, and everyone who's been working towards taking this forward. This is not really our first association. We started with Ravan, and I would like to just say it. I've not said it often enough, but as Rashmi was saying that, you know, when you make a film, then you need to take it to different kind of platforms, and with the limited budgets that we have, yes, even me included, the limited budgets that we have, it does become a little bit of a problem. And to me, the association with the Western Union is extremely personal because of the service they provide, not just because they're giving us a platform, which they do wonderfully. For me, being associated with them is personal and professional, and I thank them from the bottom of my heart for professionally being with us, my company, and me personally for Jab Tak Hai Jaan. So thank you very much, Mr. Shetty.
It's an honor.
No, thanks a lot. You are very kind to say that. And the other part is this 10 Guna competition that was started. The whole idea being, which is unheard of, that you transfer an X amount of money and you are capable or liable to win 10 times that money that you transfer. And we have about 5,000 winners. Besides that, most of the people who participated during that time frame did get some kind of prize back. 30 of these people have earned up to 1.2 lakh rupees is what I'm made to understand, which is a lot of money. If I had had the time and I wasn't promoting the film so diligently and religiously, I would have also transferred some money back to myself just to get some extra. I mean, every little bit counts when you are releasing a film.